Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you speed test about the latest iPhone 17 devices and a Google Pixel 10 device. So in this video, I will show you different speed tests like application speed test, gaming speed test, or a reboot test on the iPhone 17 or Google Pixel 10 device. So first of all, we restart. So in the iPhone, raise and hold the power button and volume down button, and you can see slide to power up. So slide to power up your iPhone 17. Now in the pixel device, long press the side button, tap on the power off. Now both devices are shutting down. So now try to restart. To power on, long press the power button on both devices until vibrate. So let's start. Now here you can see restart both your iPhone device and Google Pixel. Let's see which device start early. So here you can see both devices running. Now here you can see iPhone start first compared to Google Pixel 10 device. Now let's see the speed test, different speed test. Now let's see speed test. First we check the Netflix application on both the iPhone 17 and Google Pixel 10 device. Make sure Wi-Fi is working on both device. Open the Netflix. Now open the YouTube. Now open the Hotstar. Now open the Flipkart. Here you can see all the step by step different application speed test on the iPhone 17 Google Pixel 10 device. You can easily compare Google Chrome, and the last the gaming test Subway Surfer. So we open it. So you can easily check which device fast compared to iPhone or a Google Pixel 10 in this speed test and a reboot test. That's it. Thank you for watching this. If you like it, share it.